Okay, ladies and gentlemen, question number 2 on our 1105 review, test 1 review, deals with the graphing calculator. You're given the function y equals the opposite of 2x plus 18, and you're asked to notice that when you try to graph this in a normal viewing window, the standard window, that you don't see the graph correctly and what you can do to change that around. So let's go ahead and look at our graphing calculator and see what we can do. Alright, come on with me to the paper. Here we are. Okay, so we have the function y equals opposite of 2x plus 18. Now, if I go to my graphing calculator and I'm trying to graph zoom, let's see, let me find it here. Zoom 6 is always a good way to get our standard window, which of course takes you from negative 10 to 10 on the x and negative 10 to 10 on the y with a scale of 1. The problem is, if I enter, let's do this. If I want to enter the function, I hit y equals, okay, and I enter, let's see, the opposite of, which is down at the very bottom, the opposite of 2x plus 18, and then I push graph. My problem is that the graph is way off the, let me focus in on it for you. There we go. The graph is way off the side of the window. You can't really see the y-intercept very well. Okay, so one of the best ways to fix that really, when you can't see, is to push the zoom button, and then from your zoom menu there is an option that's not actually showing on the screen right now, but there's an option called zoom fit, which you get by pushing 0. And now notice what happens when you hit zoom 0, which is actually the command for zoom fit. You can actually see the graph much better because you're now seeing not only the x-intercept, but you're seeing the y-intercept as well. So that's always a good option. You can always change the scale on your own, but if you want to let the calculator do the work for you, hitting zoom fit, which is zoom 0, is a really good way to see the picture better. And notice what's really kind of cool. If you push the window button on the calculator now, you can see that what the calculator has done for you is it has changed the window to view. So it has left the x-min and the x-max and the x-scale the same, but it has changed the y-min to -2, the y-max to 38. So it's really kind of cool. It's a neat way of letting the calculator do the work for you. Okay? So always remember that option, zoom 0, to try to make a graph fit better without having to rescale it yourself.